Today we have a classical variation, and today's video is sponsored by ENERGETIKS. ENERGETIKS is an Australian brand that makes amazing dancewear. I will leave the link for their website down below in the description of this video so you can go there and have a look to their products. And today you're going to be learning the classical variation, the Dying Swan. In saying that, let's get ready and let's get to it. And we are going to begin our variation tutorial by moving all the way out of the stage. To your right side, you're going to give back to the audience, put your hands on your hips, you're going to have right leg in front, and you're going to do releve, either points or demi-points. And we are going to enter the stage by doing pas de bourrée. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're already in the center, and you keep moving. 5, 6, and turn. 7, 8. Awesome. This is going to be the first count of the variation. Now the second count, we are going to move slightly towards the right diagonal in front of us by doing again 8 counts. So let's say that we finish by turning 7, 8, and slightly hold it and let the torso to take you towards the right diagonal. 8 counts again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's going to be the first sequence of our variation. So we move from the right side towards the left side, totally giving back to the audience, turn and hold it. And let the torso to move you towards the right diagonal in front of us. 8 counts. Now, if you never heard this music, it's really slow. It's a dying swan. First, the swan is gorgeous, and then it's dying, so it's very slow and sentimental. So your pas de bourrées are going to be fast, but it's going to move with the rhythm of the music. Now, let's go to arms coordination for the first phrase. When we enter, arms are going to be by your side, and they are going to lower slowly up. 2, 3, 4, and now they're going to move slightly faster and short movements up and turn around. Yep. So when you do this arms movement, focus on your elbows. So your elbows is going to move first and make a very small circle. The move is going to go to the wrist and lower down, and wrist up and wrist down. So let me see sideways. 1, 2, 3, and lower and up, lower and up. This feeling is going to move all the way to the end of your fingertips. So we feel the entire time that. Yeah. Now, remember the first 4 counts is just slow and a little bit longer, or a little bit big movements. After you pass the center, 5 is going to move a little bit shorter movement and faster, then goes up. 7 and 8. So 1 up, just kind of broken your wrist, and the other one between lower and back. And now we're going to move towards the diagonal in front of us by doing this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, and now pass in front of your face. 7 and back, facing down, and this is the movement. Always hear your wrist. If it's on the back or it's forward, your wrists are always going to be kind of broken movements. Yep. Well, let's go back and let's do it one more time. I'm going to do it with you. Remember that you can always pause the video, go back and practice 1, 2, 3 times, as many times as you want. Now I'm going to do it one more time without music, and then we move to second phrase. Okay, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Our second phrase of the variation. So we finish with right leg in front, facing the left diagonal in front of us. And from here, let's put hands on the hips again, and we are going to do petit développé with left leg forward, tendu to the back. 1, 2. Next, we're going to do contretemps, piqué, 5th position, right leg in front, and we are going to turn around 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so hands on the hips, no arms coordination, right leg is in front, we are on point or we are on relevé. Demi-plié, petit développé, left leg, right leg to tendu. 1, 2, contretemps, piqué, 5th position, 6, 7, 8. And repeat the same, moving towards the right diagonal. Right leg open forward, left leg on the back. 2 and 3, 4. Left leg is in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just that, okay? Arms coordination. Remember that we end with our wings, our arms on the back. We are going to do 1, hands up, torso slightly towards the right leg, and we open, contretemps, piqué, 5th position, and open, 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 and your torso, open your chest, torso slightly back, and arms moving on the back. And from here, repeat the same, but this time arms go lower down, wrists meet each other, and open, contretemps, piqué, 5th position, and repeat again the same. Torso slightly back. Now quickly notice when I do piqué, 5th position, the first turn is towards the left side. I have right leg in front, and my legs are going to change, so I'll finish with left leg in front. Towards the right side, I have left leg on the back, contretemps, piqué, left leg in front, and pas de bourrée, alternate that change and finish with right leg in front. Okay? Now I'm gonna join phrase 1 and phrase 2 with legs and arms coordination, no music yet, but if you feel that you don't need to do it because you remember everything, just move forward to phrase 3. Now, out of the stage. Music, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! Now let's go to phrase number 3 and last phrase of the variation. Third phrase of the variation, we finish doing pas de bourrée, hands on your hips, no arms coordination, and we are going to do petit développé with left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to do 5th position, right in the center of the stage, giving back to the audience, still hands on your hips, and we are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to do. Okay, so we have 2 counts of 8. First we walk, walk, walk. Pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Second count, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here we're going to do petit développé to the back. Right leg is on the back. Yep. And we keep moving after that. So we turn around. We do petit développé, right leg to the back, and we are going to slide back, back, back before we do knee to the ground. Yep. From here, that leg that is in front is going to stand to a tendu, point your toes, turn out, and there we're going to wait and do arms coordination for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, put all your body weight over the right leg, which is the supporting leg, and slowly move back. Now, I rested down, but at the beginning we are not gonna rest back. We're gonna be forward on this leg. Okay, so let's do it one more time with arms coordination before we do everything without music. Yep. So remember, we turn around, 5, 6, 7, and walk. 1. So we are going to slightly move from the back. 1 to the side. 2, and slightly going 3, 4, and go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around. 1, 2, torso forward, torso back. And now remember, we do petit développé to the back. And go with the leg and your arms back, forward. From here, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, goes up, 5, 6, and open, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 6, oops, 7, 8, and these are going to be very slow, back and forth, and when the music finishes, we have a last breath where we go, 1, 2, okay? And now we're going to do phrase 1, 2, and 3 together, legs and arms coordination, no music yet. However, if you feel that you don't want to do it because you know already everything or you're very excited to do it with music, then move towards to the presentation with music. Now, out of the stage and no music yet. Ready? 5th position, and with the music we're going to do demi-plie, relevé. Yep? Okay. 5, 6, 7, relevé, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the other side, 1 mid lower, 2 contretemps, pique left leg in front, and turn around, 5, 6, 7, walk, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn around, 1, 2, 3, 4, petit développé, 5, and slide back, 6, 7, 8, and remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here control your body weight, remember, towards the right leg, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, slide, 6, 7, 8, and lowered, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, now it's time to do it with music.